What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Touchdowns to Home Runs. My name's Bernie. Thank you for joining us today on the Touchdowns to Home Runs show. Hope that your day is going absolutely fantastic. Today, we're going to be doing a player profile breakdown of race John Davis, the 6'1", 215-pound outside linebacker who just made the decision to commit to USC. Now, this move really comes as no surprise, as 100% of the crystal balls on 24/7 Sports did have him committing here with a 7 confidence rating. According to the 24/7 Sports composite ranking system, race John Davis is rated as a 4-star recruit. He's ranked as the number 3 overall recruit in the state of California. He's ranked as the number 4th overall outside linebacker in his class, and he's ranked as the 48th overall recruit in the recruiting class of 2021. He's one of the most versatile linebackers in the country. He plays coverage like a safety, but hits like a linebacker. He's a very good outside pass rusher and has a good burst to get around the edge. He's an excellent open field tackler and can run down plays from behind. For the recruiting class of 2021, before the signings today, USC's recruiting class already ranked number 8 nationally. They had 1 5-star signing, and this now marks their 13th 4-star signing of the class. If you did make it to this point in the video, thank you. Let me know your thoughts on this commitment for USC down in the comment section below. If you did enjoy today's video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to Touchdowns to Home Runs for more commitment breaks just like this. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again next time.